Deactivated by Uber. The worst thing on the planet, because trying to figure out why you get deactivated by Uber is a lost cause only God knows the answer to. I don't even think the Uber gods know the answer to. Let alone Travis Kalanick, or any of the other Uber executives. They don't give a flying SH about drivers. We're gonna get into it. Please thumbs up the video, guys. So let's show Uber that drivers really deserve better, right? We're gonna get started. But before I do, I wanna thank our sponsor Solo, who is helping out drivers right now. Solo is an incredible app for business gig workers. If you're Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, etc., you can sign up for this app right now. They'll actually send you $10 when you use our link, totally for free, no gimmicks. Anywhere in the country, sign up, get your $10. You actually can sign up for these little shifts, guaranteed earnings. People are making $764 in a week. This guaranteed earnings. You can also sign up for these little shifts here, $37. Just clock in, take your earnings, go home. Rest assured, you'll be making more money. Okay, so look at this. Oh, by the way, guys, let's clear the air. I am not a current active Uber driver. I got deactivated. My background check didn't pass. Firstly, my background check didn't pass, and then I got, I called Uber about 17 times, whatever. They basically said, wait. And then somebody hacked into my Uber account. I was like, whatever, I'm so over this. They hacked my account, changed my email, changed my phone number, boom, gone. I don't know if I've been targeted, but whatever. So I wanted to look at this post in our Facebook group by Zhu. He said, Uber, deactivate my account because I have too many violations. Have you guys been deactivated from Uber? I don't know what should I do right now, guys. I have my new car payment, also my house payment. This is why you should not go and buy a car to drive for Uber. Or if you do, buy it in cash. Buy a cheap $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 car. Uber doesn't pay you more money if you're driving a $30,000 car versus the $5,000 car. Yeah, maybe if you qualify for Uber Black or Uber XL, but I'm talking about like driving a Prius versus an old Hyundai Accent. Getting the same amount of money, guys. Don't go finance a new car. Save up, pay cash for a $2,000 car. Who cares, right? He's done 9,000 trips, 4.9 rating. I mean, not the greatest rating in the world, but I mean, certainly not a horrible rating. Probably just talks about politics every once in a while and, offends people. I don't know, maybe not. But look at this. So what do you do? My honest thing, I would try to go to Uber Greenlight Hub firstly, I would try to go in person. Don't bother calling them, they're gonna say anything. There is an Uber appeal form. If you go to this website, you can submit a form. But, I mean, in my opinion, I would just go sign up for Lyft. Go do Lyft, or go do Uber Eats, go do something else. Or go honestly get a job where they pay you a steady income. Should not be reliant on this job. 3 years of dispute with DMV to get taken off, have check a rerun and you're good. Yeah, 3 years, gosh, waiting 3 years. He got this email too. I guess it was a background check issue. Yeah, I don't know the whole background check. I mean, that's the same thing with mine, is I have a bad background check. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think you should do when you get deactivated? In my opinion, honestly, I would move on. But firstly, I wouldn't be too reliant on gig work for income. I would just, especially like Uber or whatever. Maybe do it on the side. Or if you are reliant, be active on 5 accounts. So if you do get deactivated, you still got 4 other ones. If you get deactivated from 2, you got 3 other ones. And you really get deactivated by 3, you still have 2 other options. That's what I would do. And secondly, I would sign up for Solo, so you can hit these guaranteed shifts. So when you do go out and drive, you're clocking in $37 here, $38 here, $27 here. You can really add up $274. Let's do some quick, simple math here. 274 times 365 is 100 grand a year. If you can clock in with these shifts with Solo, anyways, sign up for Solo, link below, get your $10. Oh, and that is active anywhere in the country if you're a gig worker, totally for free. Solo, nationwide, down below. Bye now.